Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Are you tired of having sweater bumps, or you have a nice dress shirt and you got bumps here where your shoulders are, and you put your shirt on and you're thinking, that's disgusting, what am I gonna do about this? And you don't wanna go out and spend a fortune buying wooden hangers. You just wanna use your plastic ones, and you don't wanna have to wrap rubber bands around them, because then trying to get it off is harder than ever. So I have a little trick for you when it comes to this hanger. It's very satisfying. It's gonna make your closet look super cool. Without further ado, this is what you do. And I am going to be doing this one-handed. So lay out your sweater like I have here on my bed, and you're just gonna fold it in on itself like this. There we go. You're gonna love this. You have to share this with your friends and your family. Then you're just gonna take your hanger right by the armpit right here, and you are going to put the hook, the head of the hanger right in. That kind of looks cool, huh? Head of the hanger right here, and then flip the bottom half over like that. And then you're going to take this half and you are going to flip it on over, and then voila, cool hanging in your closet and no more hanger bumps. Have you tried this before? Let me know in that comments box below. You certainly can do this either way, but I like to have the heavier end on the bottom and then wrap the arms around the top just like that. YouTube thinks that you're going to want to watch this video next. Click it. Let's see if YouTube is right. Give this video a thumbs up. Sign up for the free weekly cleaning hack newsletter so that you will be first to know in that description box below.